Aha Hits South America is a 5-track live 12 inches EP by the Norwegian band Aha and contains 5 previously unreleased tracks from the recording at the concert of the Live in South America film in Porto Alegre, Brazil in 1991 on 180-gram black vinyl for the first time. It was an exclusive Record Store Day release in 2016 and was limited to 3,000 copies. Track listing: The Blood That Moves the Body, Live, 5, 21, Manhattan Skyline, Live, 7, 15, You Are the One, Live, 4, 15, Stay on These Roads, Live, 8, 19, Hunting High and Low, Live, 6, 42.